Are you ready to start investing, but think you don't have enough money? In 2026, you no longer need a hefty sum to begin building wealth. Thanks to innovative investing apps, you can start investing with as little as $1. Whether you're a beginner or want to diversify your portfolio with small, manageable amounts, there are apps designed just for you. In this video, we'll explore the top 5 apps that make investing accessible, offering features like automated investing, fractional shares, and even social investing. These apps allow you to start growing your wealth without breaking the bank. Let's dive in and get started. 1. Acorns, the Roundup King. If you're new to investing, Acorns is still the gold standard for beginners. What makes Acorns unique is its automatic roundup feature. Every time you make a purchase, Acorns rounds up your transaction to the nearest dollar and invests that spare change into diversified portfolios. For example, if you buy a coffee for $2.50, Acorns will round up that purchase to $3, and the remaining 50 cents will be invested in your portfolio. It's a small amount at first, but over time, those spare change investments add up without you even noticing. This system is perfect for those who think they can't afford to invest. Acorns works in the background and allows you to build an investment habit without requiring a large initial deposit. It's truly a set-it-and-forget-it tool. You don't need to constantly check or make decisions. Acorns does the work for you. The app offers diversified portfolios, including options based on risk tolerance, and invests in ETFs, exchange-traded funds, giving you a broad exposure to the market without the need for stock picking. What makes Acorns especially useful is its Found Money feature, where you can earn cash back for purchases made at partner brands, which is then automatically invested. Acorns also offers retirement accounts, such as an IRA, allowing you to maximize your tax advantages while saving for the future. Whether you're making purchases at your favorite coffee shop or shopping online, Acorns helps you seamlessly invest small amounts, gradually growing your wealth over time. It's a perfect app for beginners who want to start investing without much effort or risk. 2. Stash, the Custom Builder. If you want more control over your investments but still prefer a low-barrier entry point, Stash is a fantastic option. Stash allows you to buy fractional shares of individual stocks and ETFs, starting with as little as $5. This is a great way to diversify your investments without needing large sums of money up front. For instance, if a stock is priced at $500, you can invest $5 and still own a portion of that stock. One of the standout features of Stash is its stock-back rewards. Instead of earning just basic points from retailers, you earn tiny pieces of stock when you make purchases at certain partner retailers. So while you're shopping, you're also building your portfolio. It's a clever way to combine spending with investing, allowing you to invest your rewards into companies you believe in. Stash also provides educational content for beginners, so you can learn about investing while you grow your portfolio. The app helps you understand the basics of stocks, bonds, and ETFs, giving you more control and confidence as you start investing. Stash offers theme-based portfolios based on your values or interests, such as sustainability or technology, giving you the chance to align your investments with your personal beliefs. Unlike Acorns, which automatically rounds up your purchases, Stash gives you the flexibility to choose where you want to invest. Whether you want to buy fractional shares of large companies like Apple or Tesla, or diversify into ETFs, Stash makes it easy to get started with just a small amount of money. 3. Public, the Social and Asset Mixer. In 2026, social media and investing have come together like never before with apps like Public. Public is unique because it allows you to not only invest in stocks but also in alternative assets like fine art, rare sneakers, and even royalties. These alternative assets are becoming increasingly popular for diversification, and Public makes them accessible with just a few dollars. Public allows you to invest in fractional shares, meaning you can own a portion of a valuable asset without needing to buy the entire thing. For example, you can own part of a $100,000 painting or a $10,000 pair of limited edition sneakers without having to invest a large sum. The idea is to democratize the way people invest in rare and valuable assets, making it possible for anyone, even beginners, to diversify into areas they couldn't before. But what sets Public apart from other investing apps is the social aspect. You can see what other investors are buying, ask questions, and learn from the community. This feature makes Public unique because it combines social media-like engagement with real-world investing. It's a great way to connect with other investors and learn as you go, without feeling overwhelmed by complex financial jargon. Public is commission-free. which means you won't be paying fees every time you buy or sell an asset. Whether you're interested in stocks or alternative assets, Public allows you to diversify your portfolio with small amounts of money, while also benefiting from a community of like-minded investors. For Fidelity Bloom, the behavioral specialist. When it comes to managing money, behavioral finance is just as important as investment strategy. That's where Fidelity Bloom comes in. This app is designed to gamify saving and help users develop healthy financial habits. It separates your spending and saving into two different rooms, allowing you to track your financial behaviors in a fun and engaging way. Fidelity Bloom offers cents per purchase rewards, where you earn small bonuses for making purchases and engaging with the app's educational challenges. These challenges reward you with small cash bonuses for learning about finance and improving your saving habits. This unique approach encourages you to stay engaged with your finances and make smarter financial decisions. The app also allows you to set up automated savings plans, so you can start saving for future investments with as little as a few dollars per day. The gamified experience makes saving fun and helps you develop a consistent saving habit, which is crucial for building long-term wealth. Fidelity Bloom also offers a roundup feature, similar to Acorns, allowing you to round up your purchases and invest the spare change in a diversified portfolio. For those who struggle with budgeting or saving consistently, Fidelity Bloom makes it easier to stay on track by providing rewards, challenges, and educational resources to help you make better financial decisions. 5. Robinhood, the gold standard for zero fees. Robinhood remains one of the most popular platforms for investing with small amounts, and for good reason. Known for being the gold standard for zero-fee trading, Robinhood allows users to trade stocks, options, and cryptocurrencies without paying commissions. Whether you're interested in investing in traditional stocks or digital assets like Bitcoin and Ethereum, Robinhood offers a user-friendly interface and flexible investment options. One of the best features of Robinhood is the recurring investment feature, which allows you to schedule daily or weekly purchases of any stock or crypto for as little as $1. This is perfect for the dollar-cost averaging strategy, which involves investing a fixed amount of money at regular intervals, regardless of market conditions. Over time, this strategy can help mitigate the impact of market volatility and reduce the risk of making poor investment decisions based on timing. Robinhood's fractional shares option allows you to buy a portion of expensive stocks like Amazon or Tesla, even if you don't have enough funds to buy a full share. This makes it accessible for beginners who want to start investing with limited capital. The platform is simple to use and allows you to track your investments in real time, making it easy to stay engaged with your portfolio. Robinhood is a great option for those who want to get started in the stock market or crypto world without paying high fees or requiring large sums of money up front. There you have it, 5 apps that help you invest with small amounts, even as little as $1. Whether you're interested in rounding up your purchases or building a diversified portfolio, these apps offer a low barrier entry into investing. Whether you're a complete beginner or someone looking to expand your investment strategy, there's an app for you in 2026. Remember, it's not about how much you start with, it's about starting and making your money work for you. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more money tips. Let me know in the comments which app you're excited to try first. I'll see you in the next video.